I was 8 years old when my mother died. She loved traveling the world and digging up the past. He used to visit all the time. Then one day, everything changed. She'd found something. Something he wanted. He would have killed me too. But I got away.
The world is changing.
Predator City incoming!
Nothing can stand in the face of this. We are London.
Hester! Hurry! Get on!
Before she died, your mother told me she was afraid of Valentine. And that if anything should happen to her, that was to find you. That you could stop him.
She could be a problem if she's anything like her mother.
Keep it safe.
What happens when you find Hester Shaw? I will kill her.
He's here.
In the great game of survival, this is checkmate.
I knew you wouldn't leave me. Shut up and run.
You sure you want to do this?
I have to. For my mother.
You look at her, and all you see are the jagged edges. But she is something quite different. She is beautiful and strange. And very, very rare.
Hey guys, here's today's daily fact. The bridge explosion in The Good, the Bad and the Ugly had to be shot twice. Now remember the scene when Blondie and Tuco blow up the bridge leading to the cemetery where the gold is believed to be buried? Well, a misunderstanding led to the dynamite around the bridge being detonated before cameras were ready to catch it, requiring the bridge to be rebuilt and the whole thing to be shot again. Now click here below to subscribe for more great content and on the side to watch another video.